Unveiling the toothbrush, more than just bristles. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common object you use probably twice a day, yet might not have thought much about its language background. The toothbrush. We'll explore what a toothbrush is, the history behind this everyday item, and how its name came to be. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, there's something new for you to discover about the humble toothbrush. So, let's get brushing up on our English vocabulary. A toothbrush is a tool used for cleaning teeth, generally made up of a plastic handle and a set of stiff bristles. While most people are familiar with the object itself, learning English means knowing more than just what things are. It's understanding the culture and context behind them. The word toothbrush combines two simple English words, tooth and brush. This is a great example of how English often forms new words by putting existing ones together to describe a new object or concept. The history of the toothbrush is both long and fascinating. Early forms of the toothbrush have been around since 3000 BC. Ancient civilizations used a chew stick, which was a thin twig with a frayed end. But the toothbrush, as we know it today with bristles, came into use in the 17th century in China, using bristles from pigs. Understanding the history of words and objects can help learners make connections and remember terms more easily. Now that you know what a toothbrush is and where it comes from, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples of how to use toothbrush in a sentence. I bought a new toothbrush because my old one was worn out. Can you remind me to pack my toothbrush for our trip? There are many types of toothbrushes on the market, ranging from manual to electric. Using new vocabulary and sentences like these will help solidify your understanding of the word and improve your fluency. Toothbrushing is not only about oral hygiene, it's also a cultural practice. In English-speaking countries, as in most of the world, brushing one's teeth is considered a fundamental part of daily personal care. This standard can reflect broader cultural values surrounding health and cleanliness, making the toothbrush more than just a dental tool. It's a symbol of a globally recognized habit. I hope this video has provided you with some interesting insights into the word toothbrush and how deeply interwoven language and culture can be, even in the most ordinary objects. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to brush up on new words every day, and your teeth, too, of course. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.